Right now, we're seeing an unusual flat line in energy sentiment, with a score of plus 0.00 and momentum holding steady at plus 0.00. This is noteworthy given that sentiment typically fluctuates, and the absence of movement across 16 semantic clusters suggests a rare moment of stasis in a sector usually driven by volatility. With our API, you can access this real-time sentiment data and leverage it to inform your decision-making. For instance, if you're building a predictive model for energy prices, having this insight can help you identify when to act or hold, especially in uncertain times. To dive deeper and see how this can fit into your applications, check out our detailed documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.